Hi guys, I'm going to show you tonight how to make a beautiful tincture for sleep and anxiety. The ingredients I'm using are St. John's wort flower. I would say that's almost a cup. Chamomile, ginger roots, and valerian roots. Okay, so I would say, let's say half a cup of St. John's wort, half a cup of valerian roots, I don't know, quarter cup of ginger roots, and I would say 3 tablespoons of chamomile, and then we're going to use 100 proof alcohol. So first I'm going to put in my St. John's wort. Okay, get that. Then I'm going to put in my chamomile. The St. John's wort is dried and my valerian roots are dried. But with a tincture, when you're using alcohol, it doesn't have to be dried. It could be wet. So my chamomile is wet. My ginger roots are wet. And I have my valerian roots that are dry. Oops. There we go. So all my ingredients are in now. And I would say that's half full. Put it half full. That's exactly where I wanted it. So it's perfect. I'll pour in my 100 proof vodka. I'm going to cover it right to the top. Take a little stir stick and kind of just get the air bubbles out. Look how pretty that looks. Wow, it looks so great. Might put a little bit more alcohol in it. That's good right there. So this is going to be a very powerful tincture for depression and anxiety, any type of stress, and also for sleep. And the ginger is going to be a nice belly tonic. So it'll help your belly at night. When your belly feels good, your body feels good, and you sleep better. And the chamomile is also for that too, for sleep and relaxation. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. So now I'll cap it. And I'm going to label it what it is when I made it. Wow, that's beautiful. So I'm going to let this sit in a dark cupboard for actually 8 weeks. And then I'll strain it. Oh, look at it. I'll strain it, and then I'll have my anxiety sleep tincture. And I will take a half teaspoon to a full teaspoon at bedtime with this one. So there's how you do it, guys. Pretty easy.